picture a journey beyond the confines of the known. A voyage into the profound mysteries that surround us. Today, we delve into the law of the 33rd degree, an ancient tapestry of spiritual wisdom woven into the fabric of Freemasonry. This isn't just about secrets, it's about unlocking the very essence of divine connection. To delve into the essence of the law of the 33rd degree, we must recognize its profound roots within the ancient and esteemed fraternity of Freemasonry. Freemasonry, spanning centuries, has served as a custodian of esoteric wisdom. At its hierarchical core lies the 33rd degree, representing not only a rank but a symbolic key that opens the door to a higher plane of consciousness. This initiatory degree acts as a vessel for seekers of enlightenment, guiding them on a transformative odyssey toward unlocking the universe's mysteries and forging a connection with the divine. The law of the 33rd degree is more than a set of rules. It's a symbolic journey reflecting the soul's ascent towards ultimate understanding. As one progresses through the various degrees, each step signifies a milestone in the seeker's quest for spiritual illumination. The 33rd degree stands as the apex, a testament to the culmination of this journey, a recognition of an individual's attainment of profound knowledge, wisdom, and spiritual insight. Within the sacred confines of Masonic lodges, initiates undergo a series of rituals and teachings. These rituals progressively unveil the hidden truths of existence. The law of the 33rd degree isn't a static doctrine. Instead, it is a living, breathing entity that comes to life through these ceremonies. It beckons the initiate to embark on a transformative journey, shedding the veils of ignorance and embracing the radiant light of spiritual insight. Delving into the benefits of the law of the 33rd degree reveals a comprehensive approach to self-discovery and spiritual enlightenment. This spiritual law emphasizes cultivating a tranquil mind, transcending the ego, and living ethically, each contributing to a harmonious existence. One of the primary benefits lies in the cultivation of a tranquil mind, an inner sanctuary amidst the clamor of modern life. This aspect encourages practitioners to silence the mental chatter, attaining a state of inner stillness where the whispers of divine wisdom can be heard. Quieting the mind becomes a gateway to communion with the cosmic consciousness, unlocking the vast reservoir of insights that lie dormant within. Another cornerstone of the benefits encapsulated in the law of the 33rd degree involves transcending the ego. The ego, with its illusions of separation and individuality, often blinds us to the interconnected nature of all existence. By relinquishing the ego's grip, practitioners of this law learn to perceive the unity that underlies the apparent diversity of life. In doing so, they tap into a wellspring of compassion, understanding, and empathy, an elevation beyond the limitations of the self into a harmonious relationship with the cosmos. Living ethically emerges as a natural consequence of aligning with the principles embedded in the law of the 33rd degree. As seekers ascend through the degrees and absorb the teachings within Freemasonry, a profound sense of responsibility toward oneself and others blossoms. Ethical living becomes not merely a set of guidelines but a moral compass that directs actions towards the greater good. The 33rd degree keeps reminding practitioners that ethical choices ripple through the fabric of existence, creating a positive impact on the interconnected web of life. Venturing into the realm of practical applications, integrating the esoteric wisdom of the law of the 33rd degree into everyday life involves tangible practices. These practices serve as bridges between the ethereal and the mundane, allowing individuals to harness the transformative power of the 33rd degree in actionable and meaningful ways. At the core of practical application is the art of meditation. As practitioners of this law, incorporating regular meditation into our routines becomes a gateway to stillness and self-discovery. Meditation serves as a means to quiet the incessant chatter of the mind, creating a sacred space where the practitioner can attune themselves to the higher frequencies of divine wisdom. Through the practice of meditation, individuals cultivate the inner serenity necessary to access the mind of God and tap into the wellspring of intuitive insights. Living ethically, as mentioned before and emphasized by the law, transcends philosophical ideals and becomes a lived experience. Practical application involves a conscious examination of our daily choices, whether in our interactions with others, our professional endeavors, or our personal lives. It invites us to question the motives behind our actions and ensure that they align with the principles of integrity, compassion, and justice. By weaving ethical considerations into the fabric of our decisions, we contribute to the positive transformation of ourselves and the world around us. Embracing intuition as a practical application involves developing a heightened awareness of the subtle whispers of the inner self. This requires a commitment to stillness and receptivity, allowing the intuitive insights to rise to the surface of our consciousness. In our fast-paced lives, creating moments of silence and reflection becomes paramount. Whether through mindfulness practices, contemplative walks, or moments of solitude, individuals can foster an environment where intuition can flourish, guiding them on a path aligned with the divine flow of the universe. When practically applied, this law extends beyond individual transformation to ripple into the collective consciousness. By understanding and embodying this law, we become agents of positive change in our communities and the world at large. Acts of kindness, compassion, and service to others become not just moral imperatives but expressions of a deeper spiritual understanding. Practical application invites us to recognize the interconnectedness of all beings and contribute to the creation of a more harmonious and enlightened world. In addition to the transformative principles and practical applications we've explored, the law of the 33rd degree is further enriched by a symbolic language and allegorical narratives within Freemasonry. These symbols act as profound gateways, each holding layers of significance that amplify the depth of spiritual understanding. At the heart of Masonic symbolism lies the compass and square, a pairing that embodies virtue and morality. The compass, with its ability to draw a circle, signifies the boundaries of moral behavior, emphasizing the importance of maintaining virtuous actions within ethical limits. The square, representing fairness and justice, reinforces the notion of living a life aligned with these principles. Together, these symbols provide a practical blueprint for ethical living, guiding practitioners along a path of integrity and righteousness. Another captivating symbol within the 33rd degree is that of pillars. These architectural elements serve as potent metaphors, symbolizing the delicate equilibrium between strength and establishment. The pillars encourage individuals to navigate life's challenges with resilience and poise, maintaining a harmonious balance between personal strength and the stability offered by a well-established foundation. This symbolism echoes the broader message of the law of the 33rd degree, a call to find equilibrium amid life's complexities. Within the symbolic tapestry, the all-seeing eye enclosed within a triangle stands as a powerful representation of divine omniscience. This iconic symbol emphasizes accountability and encourages a life of integrity. It serves as a constant reminder that our actions are observed not only by those around us but by a higher, universal consciousness. Practitioners of the 33rd degree are prompted to live with a heightened awareness of their ethical responsibilities, knowing that their choices reverberate through the cosmic fabric of existence. The law of the 33rd degree has unveiled a profound journey rooted in ancient wisdom and Freemasonic traditions. We've delved into its transformative principles, practical applications, and the symbolic language that enriches this spiritual law. As we decode symbols and embrace allegorical narratives, we deepen our understanding of the 33rd degree, opening doors to self-discovery and enlightenment. May this journey inspire you to apply these timeless principles, fostering a harmonious existence and unlocking the divine connection that awaits within.